Where do I even begin?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
She's so fudging. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Justin, and today we're going to be making a beautiful grand geode cake, and unfortunately it was for my worst client. I did not know she was going to be this difficult. I did not know this was going to take years off my life. I think I have gray hairs. Do you see them? But let's get right into it and jump into story time. So it was the client's 25th birthday and she wanted a grand cake, and of course she comes to me. She requested vanilla cake with vanilla buttercream and cosmic brownies. At that moment, I should have known something was wrong. Who likes cosmic brownies? It might be controversial, but they suck. They used to taste so good. Lil Debbie did her thing back then. When I was a child, she was doing her thing. She was cooking in that kitchen. Now, the brownies suck. Comment below if you disagree with me, but I know I'm right. Before I tell you a little bit more about the client, she wanted this cake to be gravity-defying, a geode cake, rock candy, epic. So to create that, I decided to use styrofoam. It's called a cake dummy also, but it's a great way if you don't want to waste food. It's a great way to get the grand effect with minimal waste. For this particular cake, it's super easy to get the effect without like worrying about a headache, you know? Because she already gave me a headache. We don't need more stress. So this client gave me 24 hours to make this cake. Lord, 24 hours. That's not even the worst part. She wasn't even trying to pay full price. She's quite high end. She's quite high profile. So I couldn't say no. I felt like it was gonna be worth the exposure, even though exposure doesn't pay the bills. I'm wrong. Should I have said no? I just struggle saying no, y'all. Especially to this person. Like, did I really have a choice? If I was gonna say no, everyone was gonna attack me on her team. And styrofoam is a mess, y'all. Y'all see me carving a shape, and the styrofoam got everywhere. I was sweeping, vacuuming for years. It was a mess, just like my dirty client. Oh. I said it. Once I was happy with all the carving, I decided to cover everything in black fondant. Now, you cover styrofoam the same way as a cake. It's the same exact process. You roll up the fondant, gotta get your muscles. The client wanted a purple and black color scheme, and she also wanted silver. But let's be honest right now. Gold is better. When in doubt, gold. Silver on a cake looks like tinfoil. Now that that's out of the air, I decided to ignore her. I didn't hear silver. When she told me silver, I heard gold. So once I got all my cakes carved out and covered in fondant, it was time to do the stacking. Now I stacked as typical, but I used a threaded rod this time just to give the gravity-defy element. And as always, you have to jump. If your hair's not flying everywhere, you're doing it wrong. What was the worst part for the whole cake? I had to individually place each rock candy on the cake. Do y'all know how long this took me? Do y'all know? I only had 24 hours. So I didn't make I didn't decorate the back of the cake. Shh. I was in a time crunch. If you rush me, you get rushed to work. The whole time I was thinking like, damn you client, damn you. I hope she's not watching. How awkward would it be if she sees this video and sends it to me? So once I added all the crystals, I then painted them purple. I wanted to do like shades of purple, darker, lighter, and that's when the cake was coming all together. But my favorite part was adding the gold for two reasons. One, because the gold, like I thought it was looking good before. Once I added the gold, I was like, my jaw dropped. I felt like it just brought everything together, as you guys are seeing. And my second reason why I like the gold so much is because I knew I was right. Silver is not the answer. And this is the final cake. What do y'all think? I absolutely loved it. I think I devour it. Y'all always calling my cakes ugly, so you know, I gotta cheer myself up. But it's time to get the reaction of my worst client. I can't watch. I can't.
What do you want?
My worst client, aka Tamara, aka my sister, turning 20.
Are you trying to get punched in the face?
5.
He's trying to get punched in the face. Why is it gold? I specifically asked for silver. Like specifically. Do you see any gold on my body? This is, wait, look, silver.
Okay, besides the gold.
I don't know. Your lines could be a little bit cleaner. Like, why is it so bumpy, bro?
Goodbye. Goodbye. You see why I don't make cakes anymore? Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. My worst client. aka my sister. Isn't she so old, y'all? 25? But stay tuned for the next video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video if you did. I don't know what we're making next. Anyone have ideas? Should I? Maybe I should make myself into a cake. Just kidding, I'm cake. Oh, that was so dumb. I need to leave. Goodbye.